IMS control panel. We click on the icon and it takes us to the login page. We have the option of choosing the language. I've chosen English. We also have the option of choosing whether we are away from home and we want to come through the internet, or when we are within the home, that's local. So I've chosen local. And we enter then the customer ID, the username, and then the password. Enter the submit button. It takes us to the screen, which gives us the option of choosing which room I want to get into, and we go to one of the rooms, which is the conference room, and it gives a list of all the devices that are installed in the room, and I have an option of operating any of these devices by just clicking the button therein. So if it is the light that I want to put on, I can go to the light near the door and I just have the light come on, and I can then put it off. Similarly, I can operate the other light that's behind me, and I can put it on and then again put it off. There's a door lock that I can again operate remotely, and the lock then operates and the color changes and shows the door has now been locked. I can also change the speed of the fan, and I can, by just moving the cursor, and is now at 96% of full speed. I can take it down to 20% just by sliding the cursor. I also have an option of taking a live video stream by just clicking on the camera, and it gives me a live video stream. We can move on to another room which has other devices, and here is another room which is called the hall, where I can open or close the curtain. Here is a curtain controller. Again, I can move the slider, and from fully closed position I've taken it to fully open position. I can also take it to half open by just sliding it halfway. Now the curtain is only half open. Similarly, I can choose the intensity of the light. I can dim it to 50% by moving the slider, or take it down to 20% or 10% by moving it further. I can again take it back all the way up and have it operate at 99%. Tell me when. Now we can move to another room that has an AC controller, and using the AC controller I can remotely put it on or off. So right now the AC is on. I'm going to put it off, and once it's off I can put it on again and change the temperature setting. So it was at 22 degrees centigrade. Now I've changed it to 24 degrees centigrade, and thus we can control it remotely from anywhere in the world, have our devices be operated. But the real strength of the whole system comes in when we set our own personalized rules, schedules and scenarios. I can make a rule so that if my door opens, the lights come on, and a picture of the person entering can be captured by the camera and emailed to me. Or I can have a rule to say that if there's nobody in the room for 15 minutes, the AC automatically goes off. We can create multiple rules very easily and have the entire system work intelligently for the owner of the house. Thank you.